Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M21, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which looks like for me it's right over here. Now the position of this toggle may vary a bit, so keep that in mind. And there's two pages, so it could be also on this page. So before you actually toggle it on, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings, where we have a couple of the key settings. So the first thing right here is the name. You can tap on it and change it to something, for instance, shorter, or something that you will remember. Then you have a password, which I advise on changing to a normal password, or in case of me, I'm just changing it to something simple as an example. It has to have at least 8 characters in length. So mine does, as you can see. And from there, at the bottom, you have the band. So you have the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. 5 gigahertz will be a better one in basically every way, but not every device will support it. As you can see, it gives you also a nice message here, which is just a nice touch actually. But older devices do not support it, and if that is the case, then you will want to drop it down to 2.4. And here it says that devices that don't support 5 gigahertz won't be able to find or connect to your hotspot. So basically you won't even see it in your Wi-Fi list if it's set to 5 gigahertz and your device isn't supported. So if that is the case, you just don't see your Wi-Fi at all, drop it to 2.4 and everything should work just fine then. But if you see the 5 gigahertz, then you have a decent device that can support it. Hands down, stick with this one, it's gonna be better. And then you have auto hotspots, share your phone's internal connection automatically with other devices, sign to your Samsung account. So you can check that on or off depending if you want it or not. And from there, you can leave this right now once you set it up. And again, hold down the notification panel and simply tap on it. Now you will need to turn off your Wi-Fi for this, so turn off. And once you do, you can see automatically it turns on. There's the tethering or hotspot active, and it's enabled right now. So now other device can connect to the Wi-Fi. And once you're done with it, you can simply tap on it again to disable it, like so. There we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.